So this is a piece, Tumi Robe Na Nirobe, of Tagore in the style of Rabindra Sangeet, which says, it's a beautiful poem, and these are the English translations of Tagore himself. Thou shalt dwell in silence in my heart. Thou shalt dwell in silence in my heart, like the full moon of summer nights. Thou shalt dwell in silence in my heart, like the full moon in summer nights. Thy sad eyes shall watch over me in my wanderings. Thy shadow of thy veil shall rest upon my heart. Thy breath, like the full moon in the summer night, shall hover in my dreams, making them fragrant. So the dreams of Akka Mahadevi were different, and he has different dreams.
Tumi robe nirobe hridaye mama. Tumi robe nirobe hridaye mama. Tumi robe nirobe hridaye Tumi robe nirobe hridaye mama. Tumi robe nirobe. Mama jibana jabana mama akhila bhuvana. Tumi bharibe garbe nishithiri shobu. Tumi robe, tumi robe, tumi robe nirobe hridaye mama. Tumi robe nirobe. Jagibe kaki tobo korono akhi, tobo ancholo chaya more rohibe dhaki. Jagibe kaki tobo korono akhi, tobo ancholo chaya more rohibe dhaki. Mama dukho bidhana mama shohara shapana. Mama dukho bidhana mama shohara shapana. Tumi bharibe shorobe, tumi bharibe shorobe nishithiri shobu. Tumi robe, tumi robe